In this lecture, we are going to learn about the most common building material, concrete. What is concrete? A building material obtained by mixture of cement, water, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate is known as concrete. There are primarily of four types. First, plain cement concrete known as PCC. Second, reinforcement cement concrete known as R.C.C. Third, precast concrete. Fourth, pre-stressed concrete. Plain cement concrete, PCC. It is a low-cost concrete type and does not contain reinforcement. It is suitable as a leveling base for R.C.C. PCC helps distribute load evenly to the ground, as ground is not even after installation of sub-base. It also helps separate R.C.C. and soil, which prevents cement slurry loss. Reinforcement cement concrete, R.C.C. R.C.C. stands for reinforced cement concrete. It is obtained adding reinforcement into a section of concrete. Combination of steel and cement strengthens the component so that it can be used to build strong supporting structures like columns, beams and slabs in buildings. Advantages of R.C.C. First, an R.C.C. structure becomes very rigid, because the concrete develops a very good bond with the steel bars. Second, it is fire resistant. Third, R.C.C. structures do not deteriorate and has lifespan across few decades. Fourth, ingredients of R.C.C. are locally available. Fifth, R.C.C. is a very resilient and durable building material. Sixth, it can be molded into any shape and size. Precast concrete. Precast concrete means concrete is poured into steel mold with wire mesh or rebar. It is cured in a controlled environment. Once finished, the precast concrete is transported to a construction site and put into place. Precast concrete provides benefits of versatility of shape and size, time saving, portability, can be made to order, and is reusable. Pre-stressed concrete. Pre-stressed concrete is a special variety of R.C.C., in which a compressive stress is applied to concrete. In this, reinforcement is replaced by high-strength tendons, which are high-tensile wires. The compression is produced by the tensioning the tendons. This results in improved structural capacity and/or serviceability, compared with conventionally reinforced concrete in many situations. The salient features of pre-stressed concrete are: first, requires lesser concrete mix. Second, has greater strength and support. Third, size of structure member reduces. Fourth, results in crack-free concrete. Other cement composition mixes. Mortar is combination of cement, fine aggregates, and water. It does not contain coarse aggregates. It is used chiefly for masonry and plastering. Grout is free-flowing, self-compacting material, which fills small gaps. They come in many varieties. Common types are tiling, flooring, structural, and non-shrink. Summary. Many types of concrete are available, distinguished by the proportions of the main ingredients. By substitution for the cementations and aggregate components, the finished concrete can be tailored to its application. Strength, density, as well as chemical and thermal resistance are variables.